this is YC and this is YA. YB. Voltage across this is V1 and the current is I1. The current entering here is I2. The voltage is V2. For this, we have to find the parameters Y11 because what is Y parameters? Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2 equal to I1 and Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2 equal to I2. These four parameters we have to find. What is Y11? Y11 is when V2 equal to 0. When V2 equal to 0, we can find Y11. Y11 equal to I1 divided by V1 provided V2 equal to 0. In the same way, we can find Y21 also. Y21 equal to I2 divided by V1 provided V2 equal to 0. What is Y12? Y12 equal to when V1 equal to 0. If V1 equal to 0, when V1 equal to 0, you can find V2. Y12 equal to I1 divided by V2 provided V1 equal to 0. In the same way, Y22 equal to I1 divided by I2 divided by V2 provided V1 equal to 0. This way we can find all the four parameters. Now let us find the four parameters for this circuit. First, let us assume that V2 equal to 0. If you assume V2 equal to 0, you will get Y11 and Y21 you will get. So that's why we have to short circuit this because V2 equal to 0. To find Y11 and Y21, we have to make V2 equal to 0. V2 equal to 0 means the output is short circuited. Now, what is the relation between V1 and I1? This becomes immaterial. YB is not in the circuit. Am I correct or not? YB is not in the circuit, virtually not in the circuit. Because already we short circuited these two ends. The current always choose the short circuit path than YB. That's why YB is not in the circuit. Virtually YB is removed from the circuit. YB is removed from the circuit. YB is virtually removed. We need not bother about YB. What is the remaining two impedances, admittances, YA and YC? Therefore, Y equivalent equal to YA plus YC. Why I am adding? If the admittances are in parallel, then we have to add. Admittances are in parallel. How we are adding two resistances? Suppose I am having R1, R2, two resistances are there. How we will add to find equivalent 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 can be written as Y1 plus Y2. That's why we are writing YA plus YC is the R equivalent. Therefore, I1 equal to V1 V divided by Z equivalent. That is equal to V1 Y equivalent. That is equal to V1 YA plus YC. Therefore, I1 divided by I1 equal to. Therefore, I1 divided by V1 equal to Y11 equal to YA plus YC. We got Y11. YA plus YC is Y11. Similarly, let us find Y21. To find Y21, what is required? I2 is required. What is I2? I2 is the short circuit current. This is I2. Am I correct or not? We have to find I2 means current through YC I have to find. Current through YC I have to find. What is current through YC? Current through IC is I1 is divided into two parts. One is going through YA, another part going through YC. Am I correct or not? Total current is I1. One part goes through YA, another part goes through YC. Therefore, I2 equal to, let us write expression for I2 because Y21 is I2 divided by V1. That's why I'm writing expression for I2. I2 equal to, what is, if you talk in terms of impedance, what is this? ZA. What is this? ZC. What is this? ZB. So let us write I2 equal to total current multiplied by, these two are in parallel. YA and YC are in parallel. YB is not in the circuit. If you talk in terms of impedance, ZA and ZC, other branch impedance, that is, I want to find current through YC. That's why other branch impedance, that is ZA divided by total impedance, ZA plus ZC. ZA plus ZC. But the current direction is, the current direction is one part go through this, another part go through this. This is just opposite to I2. Just opposite to I2. Am I correct or not? I1 is just opposite to, the part of I1 is just opposite to I2. That's why I have to put a minus sign here. Why I put minus sign there? Because the part of I1 is assumed as I2, that is just opposite to I2. That's why I have to put minus I1 ZA divided by ZA plus ZC. What is ZA? Minus I1. What is ZA? YA, or 1 by ZA. 1 by YA is ZA. Am I correct or not? ZA can be written as 1 by YA. 1 by YA plus 1 by YC minus I1 multiplied by 1 by YA multiplied by 1 by YC. That is the current dividing theorem. If you write in terms of Z, other branch impedance divided by sum of impedance. Admittance means 1 by other branch admittance divided by 1 by other branch impedance admittance plus 1 by other impedance. That way we have to write. That's why 1 by YA divided by 1 by YA plus 1 by YC. Or you can remember this way. ZA is equal to 1 by YA. Because Y equal to YA equal to 1 by ZA. Or ZA equal to 1 by YA. That we know. That's why we wrote like that. If you take LCM, what you will get? YA YC equal to YC plus YA. Numerator 1 by YA multiplied by minus I1. That is equal to YA getting cancelled. That's why YC comes to the numerator. Minus I1 YC divided by YA plus YC. Now, what is I1? Already we have expression for I1. I1 equal to YA plus YC multiplied by V1. We got the expression here. We have the expression here. I1 equal to V1 multiplied by YA YC. Let it be 1. Let it be 2. Let it be 3. Using 1. 3 implies, 3 can be written as I2 equal to minus I1 can be written as V1 multiplied by YA plus YC. I1 I wrote, the remaining YC divided by YA plus YC. YA plus YC getting cancelled. Therefore, this is I2 equal to minus V1 multiplied by YC. Or I can say that I2 divided by V1 equal to minus YC. That is equal to Y21. That is equal to Y21. So we got the second parameter also. Let us consider this circuit. YC, YC, this is YA, this is YA, this is YB. We are applying a voltage of V2 here. Current is I2, current is I2. This is short circuited. V1 equal to 0. That's why this is short circuited. Current is I2. Current is I2. This is virtually removed. Which is virtually removed? YA is virtually removed. Virtually removed from the circuit. Not in the circuit. YA is not in the circuit because of short circuit. YB and YC are in parallel. Therefore, Y equivalent equal to YB plus YC. They are in parallel. YC and YB are in parallel. That is YB parallel with YC. That's why we can write YB plus YC. What is I2? I2 equal to V2 divided by Z equivalent. That is equal to V2 multiplied by Y equivalent. That is equal to V2 multiplied by YB plus YC. Therefore, I2 divided by V2 equal to YB plus YC. We got one expression. That is equal to Z22. Sorry, Y22. That is equal to Y22. I1 by V2. We have to find I1 divided by V2. We have to find. That is Y12. Y12. Y12 is I1 divided by V2. That we have to find, provided V1 equal to 0. That we know. So let us write the expression for I1. The expression for I1 is I1 equal to total current is I2. But the direction of I1 is this way. But I2 will come against I1. That's why minus total current is I2 multiplied by other branch impedance. That is ZB divided by sum of impedances ZB plus ZC. That is equal I1 equal to minus I2 multiplied by 1 by YB divided by 1 by YB plus 1 by YC. That is equal to, if you take LCM, minus I2 multiplied by YB multiplied by YC, you will get YC plus YB and 1 by YB. YB getting cancelled. YB getting cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to minus I2 multiplied by YC divided by YC plus YB. YC plus YB. Now I2, already we know the expression for I2. We have the expression for I2. We have the expression for I2. This is fourth equation. This is fourth. This is fifth. This is sixth. I1 equal to. So using 4, 6 implies I1 equal to minus I2 can be written as V2 multiplied by YB plus YC multiplied by YC divided by YC plus YB. YC plus YB getting cancelled. Therefore, I1 equal to minus V2 YC. Therefore, Y12 equal to I1 divided by V2 equal to minus YC. All the 4 parameters we got. All the 4 parameters we got. Now let us find one such circuit. So what we have to remember? Y11 is sum of these two. y22 is sum of these two. y12 and y21 is minus of y's. That's all. That we have to remember. What is the nature of this circuit? What we call this circuit? Pi circuit. It looks like pi. It looks like pi. It is this circuit is looking like pi. That's why for pi circuit, the admittance are these two are sum of these two is y11, sum of these two, the other side is y22. The forward path impedance admittance is minus of forward path impedance is y12 and y21. So this is for pi circuit. This is pi circuit. So suppose a pi circuit is given means you need not derive all these things. For example, in the examination, it is given that 10 ohm and 8 ohm, 8 ohm. This is 20 ohm. The pi circuit is given. Here I1, V1 plus minus, V2 plus minus. This is I2. Here we want YA is required, YC is required, YB is required. But given is ZA, ZC and ZB is given. So let us find YA. YA equal to what? 1 by 8. That is equal to how much? 0.12. 0.12. What is YC? YC equal to 1 by 10. That is equal to 0.1 mho or 0.1 Siemens. Siemens. And YB equal to what? YB equal to 1 by 20 equal to how much? 0.05 mho or 0.05 Siemens. Either mho will be given or Siemens will be given. 99% Siemens will be given. That is the correct unit. But older name is mho. So YB, all we know, therefore Y11 equal to what? Y11 equal to YA plus YC, that is equal to 0.12 plus 0.1, that is equal to 0.22. Y12 equal to Y21 equal to minus YC, that is equal to minus 0.1 Siemens. Y22 equal to what? Y22 equal to YB plus YC. That is equal to 0.1 plus 0.05. That is equal to 0.15 Siemens. That's all.